My name is Jarrett Barrios. I'm the CEO of the American Red Cross in the Los Angeles area, and I live in LA. And that's really what my program is. Prepare SoCal is what we call it. And we're going to try to take it from our 1.0 version, where we've been doing some work, to our 2.0. That's the project here, where we're particularly going to be looking at vulnerable communities and how they're, in many ways, at greater risk because poor housing stock, people have fewer resources to care for themselves. How we're going to make sure that we're really prepared to care for those folks where we would expect the greatest loss of life and damage to property. There are two things that really make me excited to be in the program. One is the skill building aspect, to sort of step back from my context when I'm doing this work and reflect on how other people are doing it and the diversity of the fellows, their challenges, not always dissimilar from mine, but there are different strategies for taking on those challenges. It's a wonderful learning experience. Then of course there's the amazing faculty. The faculty that are bringing in kind of the best practices from around the country. How are people today at the cutting edge? How are we taking on these critical things? I can then, in real time, apply it to what I'm doing. Literally next week, I'm leading this conversation among my staff before we bring our board in and begin to bring our volunteers and community partners into our conversation. So what I'm learning here now in San Francisco will be put to use next week.